we have been hard at work getting this project done for our phenomenal client. You can see here, we've now got the cabinets in. We've got, one of the things I want to point out is what you have to do when you're dealing with a floating floor and you've got cabinets. So we'll go into a detail here, but it doesn't look like it, but you can see here how we have to cut out the floors where the cabinets go so that the cabinets don't sit on top of the floating floor, because that is problematic. Once the floor is put in, we get the exact locations of the cabinets and we cut out the flooring where the cabinets are. You'd think it would be easy enough. You don't need to do that underneath the fridge though. You'd think that'd be easy enough to do beforehand, but it actually really isn't. You can see how close the flooring is to where this gable is. And we want to make sure that you don't see, or our clients don't see, any of this cutout area. It doesn't seem like a lot. It doesn't seem like something that you should care about, but you really should. This is the Lemans Corner. If you've not seen one of these work before, it is one of the greatest solutions on the market for what we call a blind corner. So in times past, you might have had a lazy Susan in this corner or something like this. This company came up with this really cool cabinet that comes out like that, and then back in it goes, and it even soft closes the rest of the way home. So if you have a blind corner in your kitchen, this Lemans solution is amazing because it allows you to utilize the back corner. Really, 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 really cool product. We are getting so very close to the end here. Basically, we need to get the interior finishing work done, so base, case, all that sort of stuff. The millwork company will come back and put on all of the doors, door handles, all that sort of thing. Painters will get in here, get this thing all painted up, give it a good thorough clean, and we should be done. So, you know, the updates over the next couple of weeks should be pretty interesting.